how special you are. You're so special on Mama's head. Look at the baby. Hi, Loki. What's Loki doing? What do you think she's thinking right now? I wonder. Loki is going on a year. She's a little baby. She's still just a baby bird. She is the love of my life. I love her with all my heart. Look at her. She's been preening my forehead lately. Yeah. She's trying to pop all my little pimples. She is so special though. Look at that precious face. Oh, I love her so much. Loki, Loki! Likes to be on Mama's head. She likes to poop in Mommy's hair as well. Likes to poop on Mama's head. Loki, Loki! I wish you would talk. Why aren't you speaking? Mommy wants you to speak. Go meep, meep, meep. She's not gonna speak. It would be awesome if she would though. Alright.